Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So while others were happy in Christmas, were doing Christmassy things, others were addressing rumors, right? I don't know why these rumors had to be addressed, but Ola Kongo spent Christmas with the former president, right? The current president of MK, the MK party. And then Ugo was like, Saka's first Christmas with his family. Aye, no problem. I says, the second post was, some prayers take years to be answered. You just need patience, tolerance, and maturity. Saka, ngiyakubongela ngane yami ngokuxoxela ngelinye ilanga. Oh, ngiyakubongela ngane yami ngokuxoxela ngelinye ilanga. Sizulu phela sakuhayi. Okay, achubeke ke ugel. Aposte nobani nomamkhulu, the first wife ka-President MK, right? Athi, Mzilikazi kaMashobane Zuma Nxamalala, ngiyabonga, ngiyathobeka kakhulu. Ngelinye ilanga ngiyoxoxela ilizwe ngemizuzu ongiphe yona kusukela ngethulwa kuwe in 2015. Hayi, okay, siyamangala ukuthi hawu kwenzakalani phela. Angisho uthe i-birthday kuphela yomntwana. Manje sesithulwa kuye sekayabonga sekayenzakalani. Hayi uzothi indaba encane. Waposta ke ugel wabona ukuthi ayibe shush. Wathi so-ke I'm a single woman raising a boy child. I know love that I deserve will find me one day. Build my new chapter with that special someone. Angididekeli bakwethu. Okay, Merry Christmas, good night. It was not good night. It was not good night. Tina, we were there to hear the rest of the stories. All right, okay, wapala again. What's he? Hear this from me. I have no romantic interest with the father of my son. It died years ago. As a mother, I'm here for what's right for Saka, which is quality time with his father. I've never been a mean person, showing my respect and kindness to his family, including him after it all. Don't mistake it with Nisaka. Also, I will never change who I am because of the past. Guys, Kanzagalani. I don't know, was this necessary according to you for her to clarify? Did you guys think Uguti they were back together? Or Christmas, you know, Uguti, people get in that cheerful mood and then they just, but ugel. Yeah, no, let me know what you think.